big hello to all the new students who are taking my Skillshare class for the very first time, and a warm welcome to all the old and returning students. Hi, my name is Pooja. I'm a watercolor artist and a surface designer based out of Canada. I've been painting watercolor florals since more than 6 years now, and if you visit my Instagram page, my florals will be the very first thing that you will notice. You can also visit my website www.bythelakesideartstudio.com to know more about me and my art licensing journey. With this class, I'm starting a watercolor floral series comprising 20 short classes. A few years ago, I posted a Skillshare class which was about painting 10 different types of watercolor florals. But over the past few years, I realized that my style has matured and developed with practice. And hence I thought of revisiting this topic of watercolor florals in the form of short classes. Each class will be dedicated to painting one flower. My main intention here is to break down an otherwise lengthy class into short bite-sized classes which will be easy to follow and they won't overwhelm you to create many projects. With this class, we will begin the series by painting a simple cosmos flower. I often get comments under my Instagram reels that I make it look so easy to paint a flower, but in reality it's actually quite difficult. And hence I've decided to break down the process of painting a flower into small and easy steps. And if you follow along with me, I'm confident that by the end of the class you will be able to paint a cosmos flower today. Let's take it one flower at a time. Are you excited for this floral series? Because I surely am. Let's begin.